So people ask me how I start my sessions. I usually start up with a warm-up drill. I usually go out to 10 yards and put 10 rounds in this 2-inch square. I have to get 9 out of 10 or I have to start over. So let's see how I do. Ten yards, and I've got to put 10 rounds in there. So 10 rounds, let's see how I did. In here, I broke the line on all of them, so they would all be in. I'd like to move these over a little. I mean, they did break the lines, so they count as in. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all 10 are in. And there you go. And then, you know, I start out right in the center there, but that's how I warm up. And I would count that as all 10 in since it broke the line. If it didn't break the line, I have to get 9 out of 10 to move on. But now I can move on and start my day.